How to delete recent used emojis in keyboard. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use recently used emojis on your keyboard. Well, first things first, can you delete your recently used? Unfortunately, you won't be able to do so. Well, what you can do, the trick around it is if you tap on it, as you can see here, you won't be able to delete it. You will not get any option to delete it. Now the trick here is you can simply use other emojis, right? So use other emojis so that your recent ones will be removed and the new ones that you used will be replaced. So you can just simply do this. So hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.